Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be working on this Vauxhall Astra. Now this is a Vauxhall Astra that's now owned by me. It was my partner's car, but she bought a new car, so I gave us the money for this to do as a project, and just some content for the channel really. As you've seen already, we've already done the mirror and the camera with the sat-nav screen. If you haven't seen that, have a look through my previous videos and you'll see how we did a mirror with dash cam and reverse camera, and it also includes sat-nav and Bluetooth. Really good bit of kit, so that's worth watching. Now today's video we're going to be working on the front end of the car. We're going to try and take the bumper off. Now on the front of the car you can see the body lines are all okay this side. When you come over here, the bumper is sticking out just there, and this piece here doesn't line up properly. Also I've noticed this front light is loose, so I think something's hit this corner, probably a bit of wildlife maybe, and it's just knocked this all out of place. So we're going to have a look at tackle this, get the front bumper off, check underneath for any damage, and then put it back on and try and realign it all. So stay tuned and we're going to get on with this. Okay, so first job, we've got to remove some torque screws from the top of the bumper. And it's not a T25. So we'll try a T20. Okay, so that's all those out. Let's have a look what's next. Just get an old lid of an old spray can just to put the screws in so I don't lose them. Okay. Oh, that just pops under there. Okay, we're getting somewhere, the top's loose. Let's see what else we need to do. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Astra video. Now I did a bit of work off camera and took the front bumper off. Had to figure out how to get it off, and the bits that I didn't know were there were these little clamps here. See there, if I shine some light on, and they've got like a star bolt drive, which I'll show you the tool we use for that. It's just here, so it's a little funny socket called an E12, and if you look in there, it's like a, looks like a reverse of a Torx, But yeah, that was that. And then we found these little tabs that hold the indicator or fog light unit on. I've just put some resin glue in there to fix them back on. They're very, very flimsy, and they just pulled away from the bumper. So I've sanded it all down and scuffed it up a bit, and then put some glue on there to hold that in place. And the headlight had a broken tab on the top there, so you can just see on that piece there, and we've put some resin on that as well to put that back on. That was all that was wrong there. Everything else on the car looks nice. The bracket that holds the bumper in position is all intact, there's no damage, so it was just being pushed out because the headlight had dropped down. So you can see along there the tabs that it clicks into is all nice and tidy, there's no damage in there. So all in all, everything under here looks absolutely fine. So I'm going to start reassembling, see if it goes back together as easily as it came apart. Hi everyone, it's got a bit dark now, but I'm still playing around with these headlights. Took me quite a while to figure out how to align this, but now I have got a lovely gap all the way down here with the bonnet. I found it easier to line it up with the bonnet. And then this side is lovely, absolutely perfect. And if you look at the actual line, if I can get the light to shine on that properly, you can look down and see that gap all the way uniform all the way down there. The main problem I had was with this adjuster here. I'll see if I can get the light on it. If you look in there, there's like a little piece that it sits on, that spins independently and adjusts the height, and I didn't realise that when I undid the bolt originally it wound that down right in, so it was too low. So I had to figure out that you have to twist it to undo it, and then put the bolt through, and you can actually set that height up. So I've set that height to line it up with the bonnet, and basically copied the one on this side as well that didn't have a broken tab. You can see this headlight is absolutely perfect, and it's got that, sorry, I turned it off by accident there. So yeah, it's got the same gap inside there, and if we come around this side, you can see just inside there that little white piece, and that's the height adjuster. But yeah, that took me a while to figure that one out. But managed to copy this one. Obviously this one is perfect, there was nothing wrong with this side, so I just copied how this one is aligned, and you can see that the gap there for the height on the bonnet is it's pretty cool there. So that's how I figured it out. So there again, that's the piece that was broken off that I've repaired. So now the headlight isn't all just flopping around and falling all over the place. So we've got nice body gaps. I've been over and looked at the gaps along the bonnet as well, and as you can see they're absolutely perfect all the way along there. And the other side. They're absolutely perfect. I'll try and get a bit more done tonight, and then I'll do another video in the morning in the daylight so you can see a bit better. Hi everyone, so it is the next day. Sorry about the wind noise, it's pretty windy up here at the minute. I just wanted to show you the finished article. I've just finished putting a few of the screws and clips back on the bumper. I just wanted to show you the finished article. So there we go, there's the body lines there. Across the front bumper, that's all nice and even. Nice even gaps all the way around. The headlight gap is lovely, and the bumper is fitting back in. It's not fully in, I think where it's been pushed out for so long it's kind of left a permanent bend in that plastic. I think maybe heating it up a bit might get it in that little extra piece, but it's not sticking right out anymore, so it's definitely much better. It does sit in there perfectly now. That headlight isn't crushing it, so I think where it had come down, it was pushing on this corner. And then, as you can see, the body lines there, it's all fine. The rest of the car is in really nice condition. So yeah, it's all lovely all the way around. Just needs a good wash now, really. But that's our little Astra. Nice clean interior. Got that new mirror we installed. Fire's right up. So we're on 102,000 miles. No error lights, check engine lights. So no warning lights at all. Important window works. Other window works. We've got the smart rear view monitor. So yeah, we're all done on this one, and this car's going up for sale. And there's a reverse camera.
In reverse gear.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. I might do some more rebuilds if people want to see more rebuilds. I've got a few projects, and yeah, if you want to see some more content like this, just let me know.
External power is visible.
Some of you may have noticed in some of my videos there is a Sea-Doo jet boat sat here, and this is another project I've got. I didn't think about doing a video content on it, but if you want to see some video content on the Sea-Doo jet boat we're refurbishing, put a comment below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care out there, drive safely, and we'll see you in the next one.